In this video, I'll show you 4 different tricks on what to do in case you cannot connect to the PlayStation network. If you get an error message, you don't know what to do, here are 4 different tricks. Let's get started. Okay, first thing, take your controller. We need to go into the settings. Okay, top right corner, click on settings. Go down, select system, select date and time on the left side here. And once you're over here, set date and time, the first option, and select set using internet. And select the first option, set automatically. Make sure that this is turned on if yours was turned off. So this is the first trick. Sometimes if the clock of the PS5 is not the same as the one of the internet, it may cause issues. All right, if you're still having a problem after this first trick, let me show you the second one. Go back, okay? We need to go into the main settings menu over here. Click on System and click on System Software. Select the second option, System Software Update and Settings. And finally, click on the first one, Update System Software, Update using Internet. Wait, and if there's anything to install, any updates, go ahead, install them, because sometimes if you're not on the last software, you cannot connect to your PS network. So, okay, if still you're having issues connecting, I still have 2 different tricks for you. Actually, 3 tricks. At this point, I suggest you go and unplug your Wi-Fi router, wait about 2 minutes, and plug it back, okay? It has maybe nothing to do with your PlayStation, it's maybe just your Wi-Fi router. So after plugging it back, try connecting again using your PS5. And by doing this, your router changed the IP address. Therefore, maybe that was the issue. Hopefully now it's working. Okay, I still have 2 tricks. If you go into the settings, again, in the settings, obviously, select network, select connection status, and select the first option, test internet connection. And wait, at this point, just wait. And sometimes after doing this, after going through all the different steps by itself, it fixes the internet and you're able to connect to your PlayStation network, okay? It just takes a few seconds. As you see, it's almost done. Over here, it's still checking. And yeah, sometimes it fixes itself this way. If you're still having issues, I have my final trick, one that many people on Reddit said that it works. So let me just share it with you. Let me just exit here. Obviously, if you're doing this, don't exit. So we still need to go in network in the settings. Click on settings. Click on set up internet connection. And if your PlayStation is connected using a LAN cable, okay, not the Wi-Fi, a LAN cable, and it's not working, you need to go down, select setup manually, use LAN cable, and you see where it says DNS settings. Well, by default it's automatic, but click on it, select manual, and here for the primary DNS you need to select X and type 8 dot, whoops, there was already something here, let me just delete that. So you need to select and click 8.8.8.8 and click done. And for the secondary DNS, you need to change this as well for 8.8.4.4. Once you've done this, click done again here, and it will start connecting to your network again. Hopefully after doing this, it will work for you and your problem will be solved. If you have any other tricks that worked and I don't know, please type a comment down below, or if one of these worked, type a comment as well. I want to know that. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.